Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel the tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. After that, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. So here, click on the option of My Account on the top right hand corner. Underneath My Tickets, click on the option of Upcoming Events. So when you do this, it is going to redirect you here on this particular page where you are going to see all of the tickets that are basically currently available. So here is one important thing that you need to understand, that Ticketmaster does not let you cancel a ticket just because you changed your mind. The refunds and the cancellations are only allowed when the event is cancelled, postponed, or significantly changed, and the promoter offers the refunds. So, if the event has a refund window set by the organizer, you might see a refund option. So, when you are on the event's ticket screen, you can look for the button that could say refund available or request refund. If you see it, you just have to tap on it and follow the instruction steps to submit your refund request. Once you have done that, Ticketmaster is going to confirm your refund and send the money back to your original payment method. Now, the refund usually takes a few business days to show up. If you don't see the refund available, then cancellations aren't allowed for that particular event. So, in this particular scenario, what you can do is you can simply just sell your ticket on Ticketmaster's official resale marketplace. If you don't know how you can do it, I have created a detailed video on this topic as well. So, you can check that out on the channel. The second option would be of transferring the tickets to someone else. I've also created a video on this topic. So, if you are interested, you can check the tutorial out on the channel as well. So both of these methods are safe way to get your money. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.